Again, the caterpillars. I still question myself why they lining up always. And right now I kind of find a nest. So right now they try to get out the nest, you see, and they're lying all on top of each other. Strange insect, actually. You know, when he will spawn himself into this cocoon, and after he came out, he's gonna be a butterfly. Would you think that he still would be remember what he was before? Because he turned into something like totally different than before, you know. So whoever created that is a really fucking awesome dude. I've been here already 3 times. Playing music, even I was playing music here with the ocean together. It's like, you see how awesome this is? This is like taking nature, mix it together with modern architecture, you know, awesome, and something what I really respect and appreciated. Nothing like, you know, you have fucking higher buildings or whatever, and maybe like statues, fountains, all that kind of stuff is like, yeah, not really interesting in it, but you can sit here for hours and just listen to this. Give you a small tour through this core of the city, the center of the center. So yeah, here it's getting a little bit more pretty. Yeah, and the season it's full of people basking. But right now, yeah, just mostly locals and a few tourists. I just saw a group of, I don't know where that came from, like two boys and one girl, and the girl was saying like, oh god damn, this city is so small, and I almost would say like something like, yeah, and your fucking boobs are small and you're ugly as fuck. That's not the truth, but come on, you know. Some stupid complaining culture. How you can say that, you know? Like, maybe, yeah, the city's like small compared to other places, but come on, it's so rich of culture. And I'm looking for the pizza place. I'm hungry. Still in ZADAR. Such a great city. I've been 2 nights for sleeping here. Just so good. I run in from one to another group of people. Yeah, been really nice. Yesterday I chilled with some students, speak like with like nice Croatian woman and so on, and just right now wake up, speak with like some nice tourists from Austria, very nice. And I'm about to leave right now. Life is good, enjoying ZADAR. Yeah, what else? What's up, old fella? Always sitting here. I want to blow that shell, right? Be safe, bro.
Completely raided already. Nothing to find. What a pity, actually. It's just fucking rotting. Oh, there used to be a pool. It's still there, but just wake up. That's the last one. No, yesterday. Oh, hallelujah, okay. The ceiling is already pretty fucked. Now, remember yesterday when I came here, I had a little bit the feeling of like shining.
Here's Johnny.
Maybe at this hotel somebody was getting murdered and they have to close it because nobody else want to come here and visit this motel. And so then the ghosts are still here. Yeah, whatever, something like that. Finally, finished. I don't know what time we have right now. Took me quite some time. We're 15:13. Waked up 11 o'clock. Eat something. So this took quite some long time. So right now I can't adjust the other side anymore. Well, I hope this will work, but in the future it will be, yeah, quite some pain in the ass to adjust my disc brake. But long story short, I have braking. Yeah, I hope I can get to Italy without any big interference anymore with that. Then I'm gonna change my disc brake. Plus, I need as well to change crank and sprocket. Yeah. Well, today it's pretty windy. As you can see, the sea is quite moving over there. There's an island, and you really can see how the water is just smashing against the fucking rocks. Yeah, it's the fucking Bruw. Very famous wind. Yeah, Arctic Sea. I don't know, the wind is sometimes going this way, it's going, yeah, you see, fucking everywhere. It would be a challenge for today. Surely I have lately a lot. I mean a lot of stuff on my bicycle going on. Just yesterday I repaired actually the fucking shifting up here. Like the cable was broken the third time again, so I had to shorten cable housing, move the whole cable a little bit more further to this point. Not a big deal, but yeah.
And right now, chain just say goodbye. I mean, I have a spare chain, a new one, but my sprocket and everything else is pretty old. Right now, I try to get the old chain on again. If it not works, yeah, then need to put the new chain on. Yeah, I'm in Rijeka, Croatia. Yeah, usually I would say, so I was dumpster diving. You see, this is all the food I get for free from this supermarket called Pludini. I don't know how to spell it right. Usually I would say like, yeah, it makes me also, it still makes me angry that the food waste. And actually we could all live for zero money somehow. In a different world, without money, I mean. You know, we can waste so much food, but whatever, this is a different topic. Right now, I'm really happy because I was super hungry. And I'm really happy for the next days that I will have some food. Little side note, for people who don't know, what is dumpster diving? Basically, I go to the trash can of a supermarket and yeah, look inside the dumpster, the big trash bin for food leftovers. What the supermarket can't sell anymore because everything have to be pretty. In Germany, stuff looks even more pretty. I mean, even when it makes me angry, but to be honest, on the other side, it's pretty much liberating me from needing money. So it's as well somehow not a bad thing. Yeah. So I'm living off the waste of our rich society. Feels awesome. Feels as well like why we have to waste. Yeah, different topic. So right now I try to sort out what's most suitable for me to take with me right now. I can't take all actually. I just take a bunch. And we'll just see what I can fit on my bike. But definitely I try to take as much apples, veggies with me. Oh, we still have carnival, by the way. Fuck! Okay. Some carnival wagon came there. You probably can't see it. Whatever. Rijeka have carnival. I was pretty surprised about that. So this is really a pity right now. It's all the time the same with me. Still want to save them, you know, want to save them for just like being useless trash. So this is like useless, you know. Oh, society, look, it's not even like, there's nothing on it. It's not anymore like super fresh, super soft and whatever, but it's still like pretty good tea. Like the donut, look at it. Now there's no fucking malt or anything on it. Yeah, it's really a pity, but whatever, can't change how the world is. Yeah. So by the way, yeah, Rijeka, the center, everybody's party today, carnival. I just party with some people, really cool fellows. Smoke some Iki for the sticky right now. It's really nice to see people having fun here in Rijeka, Croatia.